Okay guys, welcome to my presentation on the agency Scavenger Hunt. This is Alex Falk. I'm at Communities and Schools Garza High School. Here's a picture of me and my supervisor, and here's a picture of me in front of the agency. So moving on to the next slide, you can see here the mission statement of CIS, which is to surround students with a community of support, empowering them to stay in school and achieve in life. And here is it posted in the agency. And here's our code of ethics posting in the agency. They're actually right above each other in real life, along with the board agenda and agency organizational flowchart. So we provide a number of materials. Our only materials that we provide in other languages is the parent consent form for students to receive services, and we provide that in Spanish because we really have a low Spanish-speaking population at Garza High School. Um, as far as confidentiality goes, the first page of our intake form contains confidentiality information, which is obviously the first thing that we go through with our clients. We have one main brochure about CIS, but we have many brochures with information about other resources that students can get if they're interested. Um, for our intake forms, we require a referral and a parent consent form. And then once we receive both of those, we will do a SHAW assessment, which stands for Student Health and Wellness. So in general, CIS serves K through 12 students who are in public schools, but Garza specifically serves the high school students at Garza High School, which is generally juniors and seniors. And here you have the statistics of CIS as a whole, who they've served, and the outside agencies here are the ones that Garza specifically is working with this semester. And here is my desk, and here's our lovely little waiting room, which I think is quite nice. Cultural competency. We do provide the parental form, consent form in Spanish, which we have actually not had to give anyone yet. Or actually, no, that's not correct. We've had to give that to two people. And here you can see part of the code of ethics for CIS, which implores all the employees to hold to these standards, which implies a level of cultural competency. Some ways we could improve is providing some sort of training along the lines of cultural competency, or posting information in the agency in other languages than English. So for acquiring services, here you can see this is our office right here. It's within the high school. It's very easily accessed by the students. To get services, they have to be referred. But they could refer themselves. One of the CIS staff members could refer themselves. A teacher could refer them. Principal could refer them. Counselor could refer them. They just need to have some sort of referral. And here we have a long list of all the qualifiers to be referred to CIS. And that is my presentation.